You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this First Nation, this people from Greater Vancouver, British Columbia, BC, Canada. If you want to learn more Native American names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You want to learn from Musqueam. That's how it's pronounced. So let's break it down. Musqui. Yes, it's not k or ki or kai. Musqui. So you can separate out the different syllable. Musqui, Q-U-E-E, squi, and then with a schwa sound and a sound. Musqueam. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, and how they pronounce it too is as how to pronounce Musqueam. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.